Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Mythology Retold on PS5. We will start by guiding you through the initial setup, including how to select your preferred civilization. You will learn about the 4 crucial resources: food, wood, gold, and favor, and their importance. We will also cover the fundamental unit types, helping you understand their roles and how to utilize them effectively in the early stages of your game. Get ready to build your empire. Next, let's focus on building a strong foundation. Mastering resource gathering is key to expanding your civilization and advancing quickly. You will learn which essential buildings to construct first to ensure a steady flow of resources and to train your initial units. We will also discuss how to recruit a well-rounded army, crucial for both defending your settlements from early threats and initiating your first offensive maneuvers against opponents. A strong economy fuels a strong military. Advancing through the ages is a core mechanic in Age of Mythology Retold. There are 4 distinct ages, each unlocking new technologies and units that dramatically enhance your capabilities. You will discover how to strategically deploy powerful god powers, which can turn the tide of battle or provide crucial economic boosts. Furthermore, selecting your minor gods carefully is vital, as they grant unique bonuses and access to specialized mythical units that can define your playstyle. Plan your divine path. Finally, let's talk about combat and achieving victory. Understanding unit counter mechanics is essential for winning battles. For example, archers are strong against infantry. We will explore the different ways you can win a game, from conquering all enemies to building a wonder. Mastering the PS5 controls for unit selection, movement, and ability activation will give you a significant edge in managing your forces during intense engagements. Prepare to lead your mythological armies to glory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.